Good morning, everybody. It's Thursday, and I'm outside, and I hope you've been enjoying our Kentucky summer days and nights. A little bit of heat, but this rain will surely calm things down in terms of humidity and temperature. Lots of people are doing home projects and yard work and getting things done around the city. So there's a lot to talk about today. So let's just get right to it. Over the past few weeks, the city, the state, and the nation have all been seeing an increase in the numbers of COVID cases and deaths. And right now, I wanted you to know that Lexington has had a total of 3,075 cases of COVID-19 and 45 deaths related to COVID-19. And our city has seen nearly 1,500 new COVID-19 cases just in the month of July. And what's alarming about this is that we've had a total of 1,514 cases from March 6th through June 30th. So that's a 4-month span of time. And additionally, in July alone, we've lost 16 people due to COVID-19 complications. 16 in July. So from March 6th through June 30th, we lost 28 people, roughly 7 people per month. And so we've had quite a jump in cases in July and a number of deaths. And I know this is frustrating to see this increase. We have luckily been able to increase our testing of our citizens, and so I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. But our positivity rate from testing is also increasing. And what this means is if you had 100 people tested 2 months ago versus now, a few months ago, fewer of them were testing positive than they are now. A lower percentage were testing positive than now. So now we're working again to slow the spread of this virus. And our Lexington-Fayette County Health Department believes that community spread is occurring all over. And some of it could be due to people taking vacations and coming back home. It could mean that there were opportunities for larger groups to gather together. It could be a number of things. So as you know, Governor Beshear has issued an order for face masks to be worn when in public. And he also, this week, closed bars and limited indoor dining in restaurants to 25% of capacity in an attempt to slow the spread. So there's a 14-day quarantine for anyone who travels into Kentucky from a state with a large positive testing rate. And I want to read you those states. The list is growing. Right now, it's Alabama, Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Idaho, Kansas, Mississippi, Nevada, South Carolina, and Texas. All of those states have a rapidly rising number of cases of COVID-19. So you all really have been doing a good job. I want to encourage you to keep up the good work. I know we continue to rise to the occasion and do what we need to be safe. And just as a reminder, that's social distancing of 6 feet apart, washing your hands multiple times every day, wearing masks in public, and getting tested. I've been on a call with folks at UK. We've got somewhere around 5,000 freshman students getting ready to come back to town. And you know, we talked about respect and protect. We want to respect other people by doing the social distancing and the masking, etc. And we want to protect everybody. So this is about taking care of each other. And following these simple steps can really help reduce your chance of contracting COVID-19, help keep the ones you love safe, and our entire community. So we know that testing is an important part of containing the spread of this virus. And so we've had our mobile testing, neighborhood testing program up and running, and it's become a key part of this. The mobile program is focused on providing walk-up and drive-up testing in different areas around our community. So far, the testing has taken place in Cardinal Valley neighborhood and at Shiloh Baptist Church in the East End, and the testing has been very successful. Lots of people have come out to be tested. So starting today, we'll be testing near the Winburn, Hollow Creek, and Radcliffe Marlboro neighborhoods, and I really encourage you, if you live near there or travel near there, to go get tested. The site is at Consolidated Baptist Church at 1625 Russell Cave Road. And so by coordinating with Blue Water Diagnostic Labs, we are able to provide this testing at no cost to the patient. So make sure you take advantage of this free testing. You don't need an appointment, and it is open to anyone. You don't have to live near there to go get tested. So if you haven't been tested yet, I encourage you to go there. And testing will be today, July 30th, from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Tomorrow, July 31st, from noon till 8 p.m. And Saturday, August 1st, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. So there are lots of chances to get tested. And there's several other alternative sites if you can't get to Consolidated Baptist Church. We still have our Walgreens site at 2296 Executive Drive. It's free and open to the public. However, an appointment is required. And additionally, testing is available at Southland Christian Church on Richmond Road, urgent care centers, and most healthcare providers have access to testing. So the governor recently let us know that Kroger Health is ending their testing with the state, which means our location at the BCTC Newtown campus is closing this week. And so we're in the process of setting up a new site to replace this lost location. And you can find details of all these testing sites on our COVID-19 information on the homepage at lexingtonky.gov. Now, on a different topic, as you know, my Commission on Racial Justice and Equality has been meeting over the past several weeks, and all the meetings are live streamed on YouTube. So these subcommittees and the Commission are doing very important work. They're having open, honest, sometimes painful discussions. And I'm really looking forward to the results and the recommendations of these conversations and some ideas of what we can do in the short term and long term for our community. They are also holding virtual town halls, providing the public an opportunity to submit questions and comments for the panelists. So here is when the 2 remaining town halls are. Tonight, July the 30th, the topic is health disparities, and it starts at 6:30. And then next Tuesday, August 4th, the topic is housing and gentrification and law enforcement, justice, and accountability. That one is also at 6:30. We are so grateful to have Renee Shaw of KET moderating these town halls. And so I encourage you to submit your questions by emailing townhall@lexingtonky.gov, and those questions will be addressed at the town hall. And again, those 2 town halls start at 6:30 p.m. So you can find a racial justice and equality link to information about the Commission and when and how you can watch all the meetings. Just visit www.lexingtonky.gov. You know, there's a wealth of information on our website, and I really encourage you to go on there, not only to find out about the Commission's work, but to learn lot about COVID-19 and what we're doing with that. There's lots of information translated into other languages. So, the key to getting through all these kinds of things is communication. And I know it's been a difficult year for all of us. And we're all trying to do the hard work to keep everyone safe and to make our community a better place for everyone. And so I continue to be an optimist, and I believe we will get through all of this if we keep working hard at doing the things that help us and our neighbors. And so we'll update you again, and I hope you stay healthy, stay safe, and wear your mask. I've got a mask on pretty much all the time I'm out. So thank you so much. Great to see you all.